Just a simple Russian Scion. And I just happened to be in the bee yard. So why would I want them to congregate on the Scion if I can get them to congregate on a frame? And right there is the queen. So guess what? We will be fun trying to do this with one hand. We'll set the phone down first. Well, shit, lost the queen. I guess I'm the foul-mouthed beekeeper now. I guess we will do this again. I tell you, this has got to be the easiest way in the world to catch a swarm. Easiest way in the world. I could be the Pied Piper of bees. I may have to be, but this wind keeps up and blowing the frame. But once I get the queen again, like an idiot, I lost her. Once I get her again, put her in this cage while I'm waiting to see her hitch, probably on the other side of the frame. I need to get this queen cage open. See how they're tightening up? Of course, this is the 1st of June. It's going to be a small swarm because it's a virgin queen, because it came out of that 2-frame mating nuke. Alright, where'd my queen go? Somebody yell out if you see her. Well, the more weight gets on it, the more it wants to fall over. I really can't catch a queen if I'm having to hold this. Anyway, Russian Scions work when you allow them to, but I just didn't feel like I'm lighting on it. There's nothing on it but melted wax, propolis, and a little bit of Swarm Commander mixed in it. And all I've done is just threw a frame of old brood comb on it. Well, let's take it off and see if we can see her on the other side. Because these swarms usually, if you don't cage the queen, they will want to leave. She may be up there in that little ball, I don't know. So I guess a quick tip in this one is not only Russian Scions work, but make sure you've got her by both wings, just not one wing. Well, I know there's a tiger stripe queen in there somewhere. can get these to walk off down on the frame. Yep, there she is. Right in that. So I'm going to set the phone down and catch this little girl. You can see her right. Well, we'll set it down. Where did you go? Another tip. Once you've got her in your field of view, don't lose her. Alright, I'm going to Pied Piper these girls right on over here. Since they came out of a 2-frame mating nuke, they're going to go back into a 2-frame mating nuke. Right here she is. And I've got her by one wing again. Alright. Mama's in the cage. Let's go. Need to get them a frame. Need to get them a frame of brood or something. Anyway, you get the gist. I'm going to give them a frame of brood. Hit that like, subscribe, share the videos. Hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching Woolly Bees.